Okay, so let's check it out. So what we know is this. If we take a look at the figure, when they show the little dashes here and here, what they're saying is that this side, BD, is equal to this side, AD. See the little dashes on page 209? So we know that D has to be right in the middle, okay? Because if that's equal to that, D must be a mid-segment. Does that make sense? And the double dash says that this side is equal to this side. So we know that, in this case, AD must be equal to DB because of this segment, little dashes. We also know that BE must be equal to EC, okay? Because little dashes, right? If that's the case, then D is right in the middle, because if those are equal. So D is a midpoint, and that makes E in the middle because of those segments being equal. So E is a midpoint. So if you draw in DE, it's called a mid-segment, okay? So there we have a triangle mid-segment. We know two things. And the book goes ahead and shows two things. One, that they're parallel, right? They're parallel. That DE is parallel to AC. And we also know the second thing is the length is half as long. So whatever this length is, say it's 10. Let's put a number in for fun. Let's say this length is 10, and this length is 5. It's that easy. Geometry's not hard, is it? Okay, all right. Let's turn the page. Okay. All right, so here comes some easy problems. I don't think anybody's going to have any troubles with this, okay? So, first of all, number one, they are mid-segments, okay? And we just want to find the value of x. Well, that's easy. If this is 28, yeah, Spencer's totally right. Everybody agree? 14, Spencer, it's half as big, right? Half as big. If DE is 15, then BC is twice as big. So it's 30, right? Because if this is half, then that would have to be twice as big, right? Now, this one doesn't ask about the mid-segment, but we do know, it's got to be. You guys, it's got to be 9, because if it's a mid-segment, it's in the middle, it cuts it in half, that's got to be 9. Everybody agree with that? Pretty simple? Good. Okay, let's take a look at number 4. Okay, so first of all, let's graph this. -5 and 8. I don't even know if this is going to fit on this paper. I might need graph paper. I'm going to grab a piece of graph paper because I don't know if this is going to fit on there. We'll see. Sometimes they don't make these things big enough, which that doesn't help you, does it? So I'm going to put this on a regular piece of paper that will fit. Piece of graph paper. You guys can see if it fits on your paper, but I don't know if it'll fit. Does it fit? So let's graph this. -5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's A. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, -4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't think that's going to fit on this graph, is it? You guys can try it, but I don't think it's going to fit. I don't think so. Sometimes they do this. A, B, C. Okay, I got it, right? Okay, you guys got it? Do you have a graph there? Let's connect the dots, right? Okay, now. Go ahead, there we go. All right. Now, we want to find the mid-segment. Now, before we do anything, I just want you to watch. We don't do this, and you learn this in algebra, but there is a midpoint formula, okay? I'm just going to show this. There's a midpoint formula, okay? We will not do it this way. I don't know if you guys, x2 plus x1 divided by 2, comma. This is the midpoint formula, y2 plus y1 divided by 2. Kind of complicated, right? Yeah. But we're going to do this just with common sense. If we count squares on a graph and then go halfway, we'll find the midpoint. Does that make sense? We're going to count squares and then go halfway. So if I want to find the middle of AC, watch me count squares. I'm going to go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I went down 10, and I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's take half.
Negative 10, 6.
Half the journey would be, half the journey is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and over 1, 2, right there. Call it M. That's got to be the midpoint, right? We just walk it. Easy, right? A to B, we're going to go up 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll go up 1 and over 1, 2, 3, 4. Call that N, right? And to B to C, we'll go over 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Instead of 2, 12, we'll go 1, 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, call that O. So those are the midpoints. Those are midpoints, right? And the mid-segments, we'll just draw them in, right? Mid-segments, there we go. Mid-segment. Mid-segment. Sure it does. Okay, so what do we know? Okay, we know a couple of things, right? Here's what I know. Look at that. Right? I know that MO is parallel to AB, right? And I also know that AB is equal to 1/2 the length of, nope, I said that the other way around. I said the other way around that MO is equal to half the length of AB, okay? Right? And the same with the others, right? I know that NO is parallel to AC and half its length, right? I know that MN is parallel to CB and half its length. It's pretty easy, isn't it? Okay? Got it? Now, Ellie, you're still drawing this, aren't you? You got it? Good? Okay. So now, let's look at 5. Now, Now in 5, they don't tell us that it's a mid-segment, but I do know that if I've got the little dashes, it's in the middle, right? If I've got the little dashes, it's in the middle. If I've got the little dashes, it's in the middle, right? Because if that dash is equal to that dash, then that's right in the middle. So, here's what we got to do. Find the perimeter of DEF, okay? Right? If this is 13, this is 6.5. Half, right? This is 45, and this is a 22.5. Half, right? If this is 38, this is 19. Half as long, right? So then I just took half of 45, 22.5. I took half of 13, 6.5. Half of 38, and I got 19, right? So the perimeter is just going to be 19 plus 22.5 plus 6.5. I'm going to use a calculator, right? So I don't make a mistake. Let's see what I get. Did you get an answer already, Ben? 19 plus 22.5 plus 6.5. I'm going to get an answer about 48 is the perimeter. Okay? Does this seem easy? Okay? All right? So, slide this up. Oh yeah, everything's got to be by Ben and Sasha. Yes. Okay, here we go. So, number 6. We're almost done. I don't think you guys see this too hard. So number 6. It's not that hard. If this is 52, then what's this? Half of that. What's half 52? I don't know. 52 divided by 2, 26. It's 26, right? And then FG is, what's FG? Yeah, half of that, right? Okay, so now, we have plenty of time to get our computers out and get this done, right?